Hello everyone, welcome back. So in this lecture we will learn about styling in the React, how you can put style on the web page. So this is here, go to the next slide and you see what this is here. What is styling in React? Styling in React is the process of applying CSS. I mean here full form of CSS, cascading style sheet. Okay, to React component to control their appearance, such as color, fonts, spacing, layout, and animations. Just like normal HTML pages, use CSS for design. React applications also use CSS to make user interface attractive and user-friendly. It reduces repetitive codes, make UI dynamics and easy to display data from APIs or database, improve code maintainability. And then here, why do we need the stylings? Okay, here without styling, UI look plain and unattractive, poor user experience, difficult to create responsive layouts, hard to maintain design consistency. And then with styling, what is the benefit? Benefit is better UI UX, then responsive design, professional appearance, reusable design components. And then here, different way to style React component, that is external CSS files. It is the most common. And then next is here inline styling, then CSS module, and then we will also see the example here: styling a card component, styling a button, dynamic styling, multiple CSS class. Okay, now we are going to see all these three first, then this example. Okay, so this is all about your React styling. Okay, first we will see the external CSS files, then inline styles, then CSS modules. So first we will start with external CSS files. Okay, here start. Okay guys, so this is here, this is your file. I'm going to create a new file inside src, and then inside src what we have, this one here. Let me create a, okay, this is your React. I think we need to clean all that. Okay, okay, so let me copy all that code, copy, then comment again. Here I'm going to make it clean. So okay, this is the things here. Okay, let me remove all that. Okay, from here, and then here, you know, all that code where this is. Okay, so then I'm going to remove all these. Okay, now you see it is clean now. Okay, just you see this one. Okay, and then here, no need of this one, just write a text, welcome to React. Here h1 inside it is welcome to React. Got it? Okay, then here let me, okay, I think that is fine. You see here, welcome to React. Okay, this is your app. Okay, okay, this is here, welcome to React, and it is fine now. So first, you know, I'm going to work with the external file, external CSS file, and it is much common. Okay, I have already show you in the slide. That is, first we will work on the external. So you see here what? So here you see here, welcome to the React, and then inside it here, this is your external files. I mean app.css file. This is here app.css file. You have to create another file in the same directory. This is here app.css file. Got it? So this is your external file. Got it? So this is external file, and then you see your title here, how it looks. It is just here. Okay, welcome to the React. Now here apply that CSS code. Okay, so go inside app.css file, and then here at in the bottom, let's create here titles. Then inside it, here you have to set its color. Okay, it is blue. Then font size, and then it is 40 px. Then text align center. Got it? So this is the title. Now you have to apply these title styles on this here. This title, welcome to the React, and then here you have to write class name is equal to title. Right? Because you see this import CSS file. This is app.css dot forward slash and your file name app.css, and then now you are releases this titles class from this files here. What is this? Color blue font size, this one text line center, and then you see how it looks. It is looking very good. Here if you want, you can change this color. Here I am going to change with the red color. So now you see a color it is red. You see, so this is a external file. Okay, external CSS file. This is here app.css. It is a external CSS file, and it is must use in the projects. Import here dot first CSS files. Okay, and then now okay, your red color with 40 px font size, this is visible now. Okay, so this is your external CSS style, and now I am going to okay, here you can even write it. What external CSS file? External CSS file, and then now next, second example. This is here. This is inline style. Inline. Here inline styling. Okay, the inside it here. How you can write inline style? Here you can remove this class name. You see, this is a class title name. It is here app.css file. It is external file. It is fine. Now I am going to work with inline style. It means inside h1 tag. Here you can inside it here. Write your styles. Okay. Here using the style attribute. You write like this style. It is equal to, and make sure that here you have to use. Okay, use a double curly braces. This is here. Make sure that here inline style use double curly braces. This one, and then color red, and then it is font size. What? It is 40 px. Then text align. It is center. So you see what format to document. Why we caught this is the thing. Okay, so this is welcome to React. Okay, styling, color, font size, text align. Okay, make sure that you to always use double curly braces and style attribute is equal to. So here CSS properties use camel case. Okay, so inside the inline style you have to check what this is a camel case. I mean here CSS property is camel case. You see font size, and then you see double S properties. I mean double word properties. You see inside it here. This is a font and size, but this is what inline style. You have to use camel case. This is here SH capitals, and remove this here dash. You can say that. Okay, or hyphen. So this font, and here you have to remove this and then put yes in the capital. I mean here you see font size capital, and you see again two word text and align. So here you have to use a okay, it's capitals. It is camel case. Okay, let me go to Google and search for it. Camel case. So this is here camel case and CSS. So what is you see? This is camel case here. Camel case in line styling in React. Now you will easily understand here what is the meaning of camel case here. In React, line style require you to pass a JavaScript object to the style attribute. This is style attribute means this one here. This is style attribute, and inside it here you have to pass your properties. Here meaning all here hyphenated CSS properties must be written in the camel case and direct line syntax. Okay, you see inside double curly braces, that is fine, and inside it you see background color, you see CSS capital. Then here font size 20 px, you see SH capital and remove the hyphen. Then similarly padding 50 px, it is one word, it is fine, but you see font size it is double word, and then background color kind of double word. Okay, here we have the hyphen, you have to remove this and put it 3 capitals, And then here, same thing again, you see here, camel case, background, and it is capital, border, radius. Here, R it is capital, margin, top, you see here, T it is capital, text line, you see here, A it is capital, code it. So here, you see, now you can easily understand here, key difference from the plain CSS what? Here, background, then hyphen, then color. But you see, in the React, okay, camel case style, background, and it is C, it is capital. You see this one. Okay, same thing, just you have to write in the camel case, here remove hyphen, and then next word it is in the capital letter. This is it. Similarly for the font and hyphen and size. Then remove this hyphen, and yes, it is capital for the React camel case. Similarly for the margin top, then similarly margin top, then Z is index, and you see this one, it is index I. Okay. So now I hope you got this idea about it. Now, okay, so this is your inline styles, and then okay, you can see the styles. If has already been declared. Oh, okay, guys, you have to comment it, otherwise it goes like so. Now you see, welcome to the React. You can choose another color. This one here, green. Okay, here inside you see, welcome to the React. Okay. Then now move to the next one, CSS module. So here your next style, that is the third one, CSS module. Even okay, I am going to use it inside it directly. This is this one, and then here also write okay, same thing. CSS module. Okay, so CSS module prevents style conflict between component. Here what you can do, you have to get a new files, and then file names what here button dot here module dot CSS. Got it? So this one inside it, let me create a style for the button, and then here write background color. It is similar your I'm in CSS. You have to write it okay, green, then color okay, not inside the strings, okay, just white, and then next padding what is 10px, then 20px. Got it? This is the things. Okay, now this file button module dot css, I'm going to put inside react.js files here on the top. So let's import here, import here styles, then okay, not like that, here styles from, then forward slash your okay, it is a button, then dot module dot css. Okay, maybe this is a spelling mistake, I think. Let me copy this here and then rename here this. Okay, so inside here now here, so here we have the button, just button, and then write text, click me, and you see how it looks. Okay, inside it here, let me press it here inside it, let me press it, and then okay, I think you have to cut this line of code, put on the top, this one here. I think no need of this styles now, because this is inline styles, and then button it is clicked me, it is button clicked me, then you have to check it, refresh. Why it is not visible? This is here app.jsx. Okay, let me close, I'm in comment, and then in this file, not like that. Okay, let me here where we have that, this is Okay. Why it is not visible, guys? Maybe it's this file, so you can comment and then check it here again. Okay, it is visible. So you see it, I think this file. So okay, this is my app, and then okay, let me remove this comment. Then you have to check how it looks. You see your button is visible here. Okay, now apply the CSS code. This is my app, and then your file name, it is here. Copy this. This is then inside button here, class, not here. So here apply class name is equal to here style dot. Okay, not style, it is capital. Okay, this is capital. Copy this, and then styles dot button. Then check it here how it looks. Refresh. Okay, it is not visible. Dot button. Actually, what happened, guys? This is button, and then background color green. Let me choose another one like blue. Okay, this is rename this file here. This is button module.css files, and then inside here you have to also update it here styles. Now maybe it is visible here. Not visible. This one. Okay. Now you see it is working totally fine. Click me. You see it. Click me button. Okay. Now you have successfully has been apply these three files. First it is a first external file, then inline styles. This is your inline style inside tag. Then CSS modules. You have to create this type of files. Okay, your file name. Okay, whatever you want, and then that module.css. This is here. Inside it, here you have to put your all the styles. Correct. So here, what is the benefit of this? No CSS conflict component, specific styling, and easy to maintain. Got it? So it is all about the styling in the React. So thanks for watching. I will see you in the next one.